Day 21 Meditation for Gratitude.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 21 of our meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation is going to focus on gratitude. There are so many things in our lives that we have to be thankful for, and sometimes we forget them. But I find that through the meditation practice, we have the ability to open our hearts and be thankful for whatever there is in our lives. So today's focus is thankfulness. Be thankful for your family, your friends, your pets, whatever you may have that feels good in your life. Each and every one of us has a reason to be thankful. So go in and close your eyes and place your left hand over your heart and then your right hand on top of that. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, slowly release. So feel free to breathe in and out through your nose, or if you prefer, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. But make sure it's steady and smooth. Breathing in through your nose and exhaling slowly. Give yourself time to feel the breath slowly traveling in and out through your body, keeping the shoulders relaxed, the crown of the head extending towards the ceiling. As you take these next few breaths, with your hands placed over your middle, right over the heart center, feel your heartbeat. Taking a moment to acknowledge and be thankful for your life. Thankful that you're alive and you're present. That you have the ability to breathe and share all of your amazing gifts. Be thankful for your existence here on earth. Thankful for who you are. Reminding yourself to continue to breathe in and out through the nose lightly. Begin to transfer that thankfulness to your friends, to your family. Maybe your family is your immediate family, your extended family, or maybe your family are simply your friends, the family that you've created. Be thankful for those connections that you've created with each and every one of them. And allow yourself to see their faces. Maybe even remembering some of those moments of laughter, some of those experiences that you've shared with each and every one of them. Be thankful for those ties you've created. Maybe those meals that you've shared, the smiles and hugs. Be thankful and grateful for each and every moment. Feel that warmth in your heart. Feel that love. Knowing that each and every one of them are special to you, and at the same time, You are special to each and every one of them. For you are all linked and connected. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's begin to extend that sense of gratitude to other things in our lives. Maybe if you're an artist, being thankful for the creativity that flows through your hands, your mouth, or your heart, whatever way that you're creative. If you have pets, like I do, maybe thinking about your pets. If you have a cat or a dog or a bird, being thankful for their little beings and those little souls. Maybe simply being thankful for the garden, the flowers in your home. Being thankful for nature, being able to walk through a park, seeing the greenery, seeing the water. Being thankful for all that the universe provides for us to see and experience right here on Earth. Allowing those visions to float through your mind as you breathe in and breathe out, and feel that sense of gratitude. Thankful to experience life in its beautiful essence every single day. Now let's begin to expand our sense of gratitude beyond the earth, beyond the ones that we see, beyond the things that we're able to experience immediately in life. Extend your thankfulness to all the other beings around the world, for each and every one of us contributes to the balance and peace that we bring, to the balance and peace that's cultivated in this world. Take a deep breath in, exhale. To slowly fall, allow them to come to your knees. And you can decide palms up or down, maintaining your comfortable seat, maintaining the steadiness of your breath. Feeling of gratitude. For today, you acknowledge all that you have, all that you've been given, and all that you give. And simply be thankful for who you are and how you contribute to the world. Deep breath in. Exhale out of the mouth. Bring your palms together. Let them rub. Create a little heat. And then place your hands over your eyes. Allow that warmth to seep in. And release the hands. Open your eyes. So at that moment when you feel like you've lost all hope, just give yourself a moment to experience gratefulness. Be in the place of gratitude. You are here on earth, breathing and living fully. Give yourself time to meditate on thankfulness. Thank you guys for showing up for today's meditation challenge, and I will see you tomorrow.